Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: installed VS Code, the live preview or live server extension, and an open project containing index. HTML. First actionable step: open the command palette and run the extension's activation command. Once done, pin the extension to the status bar so you can open previews fast. Make sure Workspace Trust is granted for the project, otherwise the preview won't run. This gets you into a live environment quickly and avoids dead-end setup steps later. Now you configure how the preview behaves and why each choice matters. You pick a viewport, desktop, or custom size, so responsive issues show up immediately. Next, enable hot reload so edits reflect without manual reload. That saves minutes on each iteration. If your app talks to APIs, set port, proxy, or HTTPS in the extension settings to avoid mixed content and CORS problems. Once configured, launch the preview and observe console output for server details and network requests. Finish by optimizing your workflow. Arrange a split view so you edit and watch changes at once, and enable source maps for easier debugging. If the preview shows stale content, clear cache, or unregister service workers, that fixes most Ghost updates. If nothing appears, check that the chosen port is free, increase file watch limits, and temporarily disable other extensions that may hijack the server. One key tip: when in doubt, restart the preview. It often reveals a blocking error in the console you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.